guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, click the subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're going to teach you how to tie a golf tie.
Okay, so Jenny is going to be like the flight attendant and do all the hand gestures and show you how to tie the tie, while I am like the captain and will be giving the instructions. Or she'll be like the Happy Hands Club.
I say love, it is a flower.
Not like that Happy Hands Club. Alright, let's get started. Alright, hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to tie a golf tie so that it's so easy that even my 8-year-old daughter can do it. Wave, yay, hi. If this is the first video you have watched of mine, check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe for more awesomeness.
There is no charge for awesomeness or attractiveness.
Alright, let's tie a tie, shall we? First, place the tie around your neck with the big side on your right side and the small side of the tie on your left with the seams towards your body. You see the seams? Those need to go towards your body. Length is very important, so make sure your tie looks like this at the beginning so you don't end up like this. Or so your tie doesn't look like this and then you have to start over. Now, cross the big end over the little end so the tie makes an X. With your right index finger and thumb, pinch the middle of the X to hold it in place. With your left hand, thread the big end up and under the opening or top of the X, making sure you don't twist the tie so that the seams are still facing towards your body. Now take the big end and cross it behind the back of the tie like this. You will now take the big end and thread it down through the opening like this. You will notice that the seams are now facing away from you this time. Now from right to left, wrap the big end around the knot, which will make a sort of pouch for the next step. Once you have done that, thread the big end of the tie up through the opening like this. Using your teeth even helps. Now loosen the little pouch that you created in the last step and stuff the big end of the tie down through this pouch.
It's kind of hard.
No, it's not. It's easy. It's so easy an 8-year-old girl can do it. The last step is to adjust the tie to your liking. Do this by holding the small end of the tie and the knot at the same time and sliding the knot up to where you want it to be. Very good. And there you have it. So easy, an 8-year-old girl can do it.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye-bye! Thumbs up. Today we are going to teach you how to gull a golf tie. Let's get started.
You said gull a golf. Make your day and put a smile on your face. Are you farting?
That was a nice intro.